In this video, we're going to have a look at the division algorithm, specifically with remainders. By the end of this video, you should be able to use this algorithm that I show you to find the solution to division problems that have remainders and how to deal with remainders now that you're in high school. So let's have a look. These are our two examples for the division algorithm. I've specifically chosen these two examples because they have remainders in them. And I think it's important that we know how to deal with remainders, especially now that we're in high school. There might be a different way than what you learned in primary school. So when we divide 37 by 3, we're asking how many times 3 goes into 37. So I'm going to use this symbol here and work out how many times, first of all, how many times 3 goes into 3. Now 3 goes into 3 one time, and there's no remainder, so I don't have to worry about that. Next up, I'm going to see how many times 3 goes into 7. Now 3 goes into 7 two times, because 3 times 2 is 6, and it gives me a remainder of 1. Now, that's not my final answer. My final answer is going to be 12. Now that remainder of 1 is a remainder of 1 out of 3. So my final answer is going to be 12 and 1 out of 3, or 12 and 1/3 is the way that we say it. I'll make sure that I highlight my answer. And that's how we divide using this division algorithm. Let's have a look at a second example. I want to know how many times 7 will go into 195. My first step is to work out how many times 7 goes into 1. Now 7 is clearly bigger than 1, so it's not going to go into it. So I need to put that 1 with the 9 to make 19, and work out how many times 7 goes into 19. 7 goes into 19 two times, because 2 times 7 is 14. There will be a remainder of 5 left over. Now I ask myself how many times 7 goes into 55, and 7 times 8 is 56, which is too many. So it has to be 7 times 7, which is 49, and that gives us a remainder of 6. So when I write my answer out, I'm going to say that my answer is 27 with 6 out of 7 left over, or 27 and 6/7. I highlight my answer to show that I'm done. And that's it. I hope now you know how to use the division algorithm to find those solutions to our problems that have remainders in them, and that you know to use fractions instead of the remainder notation that you might be used to from primary.